All right, so I'm going to show you quickly here how I like to disinfect my cutlery and pots and anything I eat out of or anything that is touching my mouth. I like to fully disinfect. My favorite method is just boiling. Boil it. Use boiling water. If you think about it, this standard for sterilization in hospitals is steam for a reason, because it's foolproof. A nice thing about it is that it leaves everything with a very clean feeling. So I'm just going to heat up my water here. Use gas, but you can do it on whatever, any heat source that you got. As long as you can boil water, you can make things clean. If you have things that are stuck on, and find a piece of moss like this is actually great abrasive, and on the bottom is usually a bunch of sand. So you can use this as grit. You can even just use sand and rocks. If you're like in a creek bed or next to a lake, put sand in your pot, and if you have things that are burned on, even really hard, just use sand. I'll give this a quick rinse too. Oh, and the sun comes out, see? Beautiful. So once it's boiling, I just like to mix it around. Get on the lid there, put your lid down upside down so it stays clean. Don't spill it on you. Nice thing about using such hot water. When you do this, everything hopefully should dry pretty much instantly. So I'm gonna put this guy in there. Cutlery, same thing. I'll just boil water in here and then stick the spoon in there, put it in for 30 seconds, shake it off, and it's literally like instantly dry. Shake that off, throw it away. So that's my method for how I sterilize things in the bush. Feel free to check out the rest of the channel. There's other tips coming down the pipeline, and there's ones we've already posted. So yeah, check them out, give it a like, comment, subscribe, help feed that algorithm. It really helps count. So we're starting to grow. And if you can help that grow, I'd really appreciate that. So thank you. Until next time. That's a terrible way to end a video.